This is Design and Technology, and today we're going to be focusing on Makeblock's Neurons. The theme for today is about sound. Here are two power units, a display, a sound sensor, an ultrasonic sensor, and wireless transmitters and receivers. Assembly is very simple. Begin with a power supply, attach a sound sensor to one side, and a display to the other. Unfortunately, it is a little difficult to see what's going on the display, but it does register from 0 to 100 volume that the sound sensor is picking up. When you quickly switch over to the ultrasonic sensor, it will show distance. The display automatically registers that it is a different sensor that is attached to the unit. You can also use a different display, such as this matrix, with the sound sensor. Instead of having a numerical display, this shows a representation of the sound. Another unique feature regarding the Neurons is that you can connect wireless transmitters and receivers. This way you can collect data from one area and observe it at a different location. Displays are interchangeable. You can always add or remove a different display or add a new display. Thanks for watching.